Hi, if you'd like to make the perfect poached eggs like this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Edward, and I'm here to show you how to make the perfect poached eggs with tips and tricks I learned with over a decade of professional chef experience. So first, what you will need is eggs, a small bowl, white wine vinegar, about a quarter cup, a pot with 3 cups of water. Now let's get started. So, we're going to break our eggs into the small bowl. That's one way to do it. And the reason why is we don't want the egg shells in our cooking water. And next, we're going to add our white wine vinegar to our water, and we're going to bring it to a boil first. Okay, we brought our water to a boil. Now we're going to bring it down to a simmer. And what I like to do is take our slotted spoon and actually swirl the water in the pot before adding the eggs. So we're going to add the eggs one by one. Here's one. Here's the second one. And we're going to move it a little bit right off the bottom of the pot, just so it doesn't stick. Okay, now since you have the bubbles that are underneath the eggs, it's going to keep it from sticking to the bottom, which is nice. Now, what we're looking for is to cook the whites of the eggs, but leave the yolks nice and runny. This should take about 3 minutes to cook. And it's been a couple of minutes since cooking. Now, this is a little trick I learned, is you pull it up and you want to tap the side. If the egg is still like jelly, then it needs another minute. So I'm going to check both. If it's a little bit firm, well, then that means the egg whites are fully cooked, while the egg yolk is still nice and runny. It looks like it's going to need one more minute. And so let's check it now. Okay, the egg whites are nice and firm. The egg yolks are nice and runny. And I like to add it to English muffins. That's how I like to eat them, personally. Here's the second one. What's nice about the slotted spoon is you could drain the water so it's not getting onto the plate or onto your English muffin. And there we go. And what I like to do with my poached eggs is to add a little bit of salt and pepper onto it. And here we go. And I'll show you these beautiful poached eggs. Now it's your turn to try. Now, if you like this content, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.